Come on, Chucho Mucho. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Ken, look at this. I feel so remiss, you know, I just dropped the ball. There we go, huh? There we go. There we go, mister. Good boy, huh? Good boy. They can go without eating for a while. There we go, huh? There we go. There we go. Chucho. He's the sweetest cat. Hmm? The whole wide world? Huh? Is this a good boy? It's a good boy, huh?
So he can't stand up on his own?
Not right now. Come on, there we go. Huh? Dr. Hahn thinks it's something in the base of his skull, like the cerebellum, that's affecting his mobility. There we go. It's not an infection. He's never had a fever. That's good. That's enough, I think.
Okay.